You should freeze tomatoes this way. It's both economical and tastier. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. You have too many tomatoes and don't know how to preserve them? In just a few minutes and without any fancy tools, I'll show you how to keep tomatoes fresh for months. Vacuum preserving tomatoes. Put tomatoes in a bowl of clean water. Wash tomatoes with clean water. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Remove and dry completely with a clean towel. Discard any bruised, cracked, or mushy fruit. If you plan to use it for cooking later, keep the fruit whole. Prepare 3 zip bags. Arrange tomatoes in a zip bag, leaving about 5 to 7 centimeters from the top of the bag to make it easier to seal after vacuuming. Do not overfill to avoid crushing the tomatoes. Place the bag of tomatoes in a bowl of water to squeeze out all the air. Close the bag. Continue to put the remaining bag of tomatoes in the water basin to press the air out. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then put the vacuum-sealed bag of tomatoes in the refrigerator. Can be kept for 7 to 10 days. I will show you how to defrost. I make 2 small cuts on each tomato and pour boiling water over it. Let stand for about 30 seconds. Then peel. Next, cut into small pieces. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then add a clove of garlic and a little extra virgin olive oil. I put the tomatoes in and cooked for about 10 minutes from the time the water boiled. Tomato sauce is ready, fresh tomatoes, more flavorful than unfrozen tomatoes. Dice and freeze. This next method not only saves you time, but also keeps your tomatoes fresher than the first method by dicing them before storing. First, cut off the top and bottom of the tomatoes. These are the parts that are most likely to contain pesticide residue. Then, cut the tomatoes into bite-sized cubes, which are great for cooking later. You may not know, tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of heart disease and prostate cancer, and also support healthy skin. Since learning this, I've been adding tomatoes to my daily meals. That's why this trick for pre-cutting and freezing tomatoes saves my family time. Now all you have to do is divide the diced tomatoes into small zip-top bags. Next, use a straw to suck out the air, then seal the bags and store them in the freezer. This step helps prevent freezer burn and keeps tomatoes fresh longer. This way, tomatoes can last from 3 to 6 months, very convenient for making sauces, stir-frying tomatoes, or any dish that requires cooked tomatoes. When you need to use them, just take the bag out of the freezer, let it thaw for a few minutes, and you can cook it. Thanks to this tip, you have saved time and effort cutting tomatoes every day. After thawing, the tomatoes still retain their fresh color and shape, as if they had just been bought. Isn't that great? If you don't like freezing tomatoes, here's what you can do. First, put the tomatoes in a bowl of clean water. Wash the tomatoes. Then remove to a tray to drain. Cut off the stem of the tomato. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Cut the tomatoes into pieces. And put in an airtight zip bag. Close the bag, leaving a small slit for the straw. Suck all the air out. Close the bag. You have created a vacuum. Ready to freeze? Tomatoes will keep for months. You can also freeze whole tomatoes. Cool, right? If you like it, you can save it and try it. If this video is useful to you, please give it a heart, like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.